Let's begin in the quiet workshops of the early 17th century. In these gentle, candlelit rooms, early craftsmen carefully shaped large brass drum-shaped watches by hand. Slow, precise, almost like a whispered secret. These first pocket watches were heavy and simple, often showing only the hour. Resting on soft velvet, they felt more like small treasures than timekeepers. In noble palaces, highborn men would gently lift their oversized watches, admiring the delicate engravings. These early designs were symbols of pride, used just as much for showing status as for keeping time. Slowly, the shape began to change. Round cases, hinged covers for protection. Watchmakers used elegant sketches and quills to draft every tiny detail. And then, a quiet little revolution. The minute hand appeared, making each watch more accurate, one small gear added at a time. By now, watches had become beautiful little pieces of art, engraved, golden, passed from one generation to the next with gentle hands and soft praises. In the dawn of the industrial age, busy workshops slowly replaced handmade pieces with mass production. Many craftsmen working together, yet still in calm, focused silence. Pocket watches became slimmer and more refined. Glass covers let people admire each elegant dial, Roman numerals resting quietly like old friends. Victorian gentlemen would step under the pale glow of gas lamps, checking the time before boarding a slow-moving steam train. There was comfort, even in the ticking. And finally, a new century arrived. Sleek modern pocket watches. Simple, clean, watching over the quiet streets as the world slowly changed forever.